B.E.A. family, what's going on? Quick question today regarding where to find love. And I'm going to give you the best answer I possibly can. So where to find love? First things first, in my opinion, love cannot be found. Love is a feeling, it's an emotion, it's such a euphoric feeling that you have towards someone else. It's not something that can be found. Now, the person that you may happen to fall in love with, that is where the discovery is, and that is where, that is what can be found. That is what truly can be found. But the actual feeling itself of love isn't something that can be found anywhere. It's just something that is within you, that, exerts out of you, that, escapes from your soul, from the depths of your soul when you find that right person. And obviously it takes time, and, everyone does look for love in a sense, but, in reality, they're not looking for love. They're looking for that right person that they can fall in love with. So where to find love is almost like a trick question, because you're not trying to find love. You shouldn't be trying to find love, because love is nowhere to be found. It is within you. If you want to find love, roll your eyes behind your head. Obviously I'm joking, but roll your eyes behind your head and look down in your soul. And that's the real discovery is actually in the people that you meet and the places that you go. That's truly where you'll find that someone that you may happen to fall in love with. Love is, I believe, the most powerful, most emotional feeling that you could feel throughout your whole life. So as for finding love, I don't think you can find it anywhere. You have to just experience things, discover things. And Paulo Coelho said it best in The Alchemist. Once you truly, truly want something, the whole universe conspires, as a team to help you achieve that certain thing. And I truly believe that. If you're negative, you may not believe that. I have tried to have a positive mindset as much as possible. If you love yourself, enough to be able to love someone else, then, the universe will help you find that. For example, you have to love yourself first. This is just me talking, like I said, so you have your own opinion, I have my own. But if you don't love yourself, if you don't take care of yourself in any way, that you may need to be taken care of, clean your room, have good hygiene, anything in general, make your own money, work hard. If you don't appreciate yourself, how do you expect to appreciate anyone else? It's just a simple question. How do you expect to be able to fall in love with anyone else if you don't even love yourself first? And of course, I should be taking my own advice here, because I'm always very hard on myself. But in reality, you need to have that certain feeling for yourself first. You need to care for yourself so much that you're willing to even care more for that other person. Hence the term, you're falling in love with that person. You're not finding in love with that person. You're slipping in love with that person. You're becoming immersed in that person and everything that person does. You're falling in love with that person, that certain person, and everything about her. Because as imperfect as she may be, she makes your life perfect. And it's really that simple. You don't find love, guys. You find the right person that you may fall in love with. But that only happens if you go out, you explore, and you discover. It's a lot of trial and error. Love is, like I said, the most beautiful thing that we could probably feel in our lives. And it could be the most hurtful thing as well. Life is a gamble and all. So, first things first, do your best to do things that make you happy. And once other people see you happy, you'll attract people toward you, because, positivity, is contagious in a sense, okay? Smiling is contagious. Do the best that you can to be happy, to be your own kind of happy. And eventually, down the road, hopefully, things will fall into the right place for you. There's no timetable, there's no set clock that says, oh, this certain date I'm going to fall in love with a certain person. It doesn't work like that. Love is magic. It's very unpredictable, and it is magic. You just slip into love, you fall into love. You can't find it. So it's just something that happens. And when it happens, you will know, because it is the most magical, most euphoric feeling that you could possibly feel, the most powerful feeling, in my opinion. So, keep doing what you are doing, okay? If you're not doing things to benefit your life day by day, then start doing so. The more you benefit your life, the more others will notice it, and the more that you could, be more confident within yourself. Just all in all, it is a win-win for you. The more you're confident, the more you care about yourself, the more you take care of yourself, will help you, when you happen to become in a relationship, because you could easily take care of that other person, because you're not so worried about yourself in a sense, because obviously when you love someone, you're giving your all to them. So that's exactly what it needs to be. You need to, make sure, I'll hold my own down, but obviously now is a whole nother person in this whole, circle that I have here. So that's what that is. Where to find love? It's nowhere to be found. It's right here and right here and right here. Eventually, hopefully one day, you will find it. We all search for it, right? Basically. Just go out with a lot of different people, guys. Go experience different things. Go to different places. It's the best advice I can give you. I hope this video helped you guys. Believe.Excel.Achieve wristbands are on sale. The B.E.A koozies are on sale. Like I said in my last video, I'm going to give them away for you guys. I like my subscribers a lot. Comment in the box below if you're interested and send me your address in a direct message or something. I have pens, koozies, and wristbands. Shoot me some comments in the box below and I'll do my best to get them out to you guys. Alright? So bottom line, guys, you have to do your best to love yourself first. And always stay strong when it comes to that, because, some people find love a lot easier than others. But it is a journey nonetheless, and just embrace it as much as you can. Do your best to take care of yourself, and that way when the time is right and the time actually comes, you'll be golden. Believe, excel, achieve. God bless.